Hello everyone, I'm fine. Another part of trigonometry, I think it's called algebraic ratios. So a question can come to you and say, if sine 43 is equals to A, express each ratio in terms of A. So the first thing that you must do, you must draw a triangle like this one. Okay? And then since I'm given what is sine 43, I know what 43 must be there. And then what is sine? Sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse, but mina manje I want you to get used to this one. You must use it, y over r, and then which is what? A over r, y over r. Manje it is the same as saying a over 1 because a over 1 is a. So lana each and every time your hypotenuse is 1. And then manje they are saying you must express each and everything. The first thing that you must do, you must find the that side. Okay, so I will continue. R squared is equals to x squared plus y squared. What is my r squared? It is 1 squared is equals to the one that I want plus a squared. And then I'll take the other one to the other side. It will be 1 minus a squared is equals to x squared. Root both sides. Then my x, therefore my x will be equals to root of 1 minus a squared. It will remain as 1 minus a squared because, guys, remember, it is not the same as saying a squared is equals to a. Manje, I have 1 minus a variable. So it cannot be remain as 1 minus a. No, that's impossible. What if my a is 1? Then it's the root of 0, undefined. So it must stay like that, okay? And then manje, you're gonna come and say what? 1 minus a squared. Another thing that you must know, you must twist your triangle in case there comes another question that's tricky for you. So you can do it like this, like it is the same as doing like this. So manje, I'm gonna represent something like that. So one thing for sure, you have to put another angle there, so it should be 47 plus 43, it is 90, and then it is 90, which is 1/8. So lana it will be 43, and then this side it is what? 1 minus a squared, and then this is my a, and this is my 1. Okay, so now you are fine. You can do questions. The first question, sine 2, 2, 3. Express each ratio. Okay, remember in the quadrants you had something like sine alpha, then you check your what, like this and this. Manje, it is almost the same thing, but now you are applying your reduction angles. And then manje, it will be what? It will be sine, you open a bracket, 180 plus 43. Remember, the angles that you are applying here must be the same angles that are there in the triangle. And then 180 plus theta, it is in the third quadrant, so it will be minus sine 43, which is what? Minus a. Because sine, it is what? Y over r. Y over r. And be careful there. Let me put my 47 here. Be careful. It is 43, which means you are using this angle, 43. You understand? So you must be careful. Lana, you are just doing things so that you cannot be confused. So this 43, sine 43 simply tells you that you are using the angle whereby the 90 and that thing are relative to each other. Let's do another one, number 2. I'll try something tricky now. Let me check a different one. Okay, maar let's do things step by step. So let me do cos 317. It will be what? Cos, use a reduction angle, 360 minus 43, which is what? 360 minus theta is in the fourth quadrant, which is positive for cos, so it will be cos 43. You come to this angle because you said cos 43. What is cos? It is x over h. What is my x? It is what? Or my adjacent side here, 1 minus a squared over 1. Adjacent over hypotenuse. You get the 2 marks, 3 marks, whatever. So yeah, it's just like that. So let's continue. The third example there. So let's go to number 3, which is what? Sine negative 137. So it is the same as sine negative theta. Sine negative 137. Remember my negative angles that I showed you. Sine negative theta, it is the same as negative sine theta. So when I already know what it is, what? Negative sine 137. You continue. And then manje, you will say negative and then you open your big bracket, which is sine, and then you do your reduction angle. 180 minus 43. Continue, it will be what? Sine 180 minus 30 is positive for sine, so it will be the same as saying sine negative sine 43 again, which is the same as negative a again. Oh, the same thing. And then the last one, we have cos 133. Reduction angles again. Cos 180 minus 47. 180 minus 47 is 133. And then it will be what? 180 minus theta, it is in the second quadrant, so it will be minus cos 47. Continue. Be careful there. You said cos 47, so it means which man you will use what? This angle, this triangle, because you said 47 is here. So it will be what? Cos, it is what? Adjacent over hype, so it will be adjacent over hype, which will be equals to negative a. So you just have to be careful there. So if you're given a question like this one, they are saying if sine is what is equals to a, you put it like this, you complete and put the other angle there, and then you twist a triangle and make it another one, and then you use your reduction angles, and you have to be careful. If lana it is 43, use this one. If lana it is 47, use the other one. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this minute. It's very important because it's tricky for most of you all. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you.